Okay, so now I think you can able to see my screen, right?
Yes, touch.
Okay, so let's start the ACL configuration. Okay, so what is the first step we should do, guys, to configure ACL? First tell me ACL work in which layer? Meanwhile, I'll put design the topology. Okay.
It's network layer.
You're taking time.
No. I thought I had unmuted Tajbhai, but it was not unmute only. I'm talking like that only on mute.
So DSCP configuration, this time we'll do in server, not on the router, guys. Okay.
Okay.
Then I will configure static routing. Okay. Then I will configure your standard ACL. Okay, which starts from 1 to 99. Okay, so this is the thing. So let's say I will take the two routers. So as usual, I will take two switches. And some PCs. One laptop. And one server. So right now I want to use only the serial interface. For that, what we have to do? Insert the module, right?
Correct.
Okay. So I'll insert the module. Same thing here also we can do, or else we can delete this one and copy and paste that one. What we did. Same thing. Control C, Control V. Put it here. Smart work, right?
Yes.
Okay, you also do it like this. Okay, because you know Control C, Control V is very powerful command, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right, Control C, Control V. In the exam also it will help you.
Yeah.
For a system, for a digitally, if you want to do an exam, it's applicable. But it's reading manually.
It's very powerful command. We should thank to the guy who introduced Control C, Control V.
Yes, sir.
Guys, I'll tell you one more thing.
Taj,
Okay.
I'm using in my office work. I think 80% of the time that is only Control C, Control V, because I have made all the things very easy for myself.
Kept all the commands, everything ready in the notepad.
Everything is
Just
ready.
copy paste. Open karo. Oh, copy paste.
That's all I'm doing, bro. I'm telling you, that is the reason I'm feeling so boring my work.
Even me too. The
Okay,
same.
guys. Right now we are live in Facebook, guys. I don't know because I have some thousands of students in my Facebook account.
Okay.
You can request me because I want to tell you I want to start one YouTube channel regarding the global certification exam. Okay, I will tell you this. I'm telling the Frank, I want to start that only for how these people are going to work. What is that idea, guys? Here, Control C, Control V. Why I'm telling this, guys? Because for CCNA, I have given almost all 100 exam.
Oh,
Okay.
You're not asking why. How I have given this exam?
It's during certification, Nataj.
See, guys, I'm telling one thing, because global certification is just a piece of paper, guys. It is nothing else. Of course, because if you talk about in India, okay, because I'm in live now, I'm telling straightforward way. Because I know this all exam 99%, all the engineers working in the IT industry in India and abroad, 99% they are control C, control V. You understood that what I mean?
What are you saying?
I am saying that all the global certification exam, how they will pass means based on the control C and control V.
Only copy paste, copy paste.
Yes. If you talk about myself, because I have passed all my CCNA, double CCNA, CCNP, not control C, control V, because first time I failed CCNA exam in 2007. Okay, second attempt I passed. Then I completed all my CCNP and CCI written I passed, CCI lab I failed, and VMware I'm certified. So because when I come to know that all these things people are doing like this, for my students I have given on behalf of them I have given exam. Means what I yes, because what I want to emphasize the important point here, because your skill is going to work in the IT industry, guys, not the certification. Certification will be asked only for your customer. Okay, they want the certified engineers to work in their project. Not the company will never ask the certification. Only the customer demand that.
yes.
So the reason, because many students have given myself the CCNA exam, CCNA, some CCNP, VMware, storage. So I have given some lot of exams. Means certification, don't worry about certifications. Pawan, you also, Pawan, Vikas,
Yeah.
correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
For sure.
Yeah, because your knowledge, the other reason is going to work for you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So before I could start this session, okay. So let me tell you this, because access list. If you talk about the access list, guys, they have the two types, numbered and named. First, remember this. Okay, you have the different types of access list, that is numbered and named. You can write here, I think, yeah. And in numbered, we have standard and extended, and named, we have standard and extended. Remember that. Don't get confused here. So let me write it down here. So in access list, okay, they have the two types. Okay, the first one is
Raj, where are you writing?
on the screen. You're not able to see my screen? I'm writing on the
I
screen.
can see only your video.
No, it will be shown.
No, it's showing, no? Because I'm using two pieces now. What about Vikas?
Yeah, I could able to see you. Touch. You're
Yeah,
typing
mine
right.
shows.
Access
Yeah, yeah.
list type 2. You're typing right on the
Two types of access list. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Two types. One. That you're
Why
writing.
am I
could
not able to see?
And I don't know, maybe because we have checked your thing, some connectivity, because you are audible very clearly.
Yes.
Numbered. Okay. And second one is a name. Okay. So in name, so again, you have two types. That is standard ACL and extended ACL. Same thing here also. In named you have again we can say 1 and 2, that is standard and extended ACL. So we have to remember, guys, this one. So as you know that, so can block the network. Okay, even it can block. So what is the main thing? Your standard access list. Right now we're dealing with your only your standard access list. Let me write it down in the heading here. Standard access list. So right now we are doing your standard access list. I think now it is visible. So the other reason, guys, so please, knowledge is money, guys, in the IT industry, as you know that, because you are working already, even for the Pawan,
Yes, sir.
knowledge is important, man, because you know you have done the engineering, because you are to be. I speak very straightforward, guys, because you know I have seen many engineering students. Because if you talk about India, okay, we have around 5,57,000 engineering college, only engineering college in India. Okay, so in that less than 1% will get job. Just imagine 99% they are not getting because of the skill gap. Means what you are getting, what you are getting the engineering, this thing, you are spending 15 to 20 lakhs for the 4 years. We are giving 4 years time to engineering college. They will give just a engineering certificate, but still you are not fit to work in IT industry.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Because you know the most of the engineering college will be run by politicians. They are not bothered about your career. Correct?
Yes.
Okay, so the reason, because you know the potential is very huge, because still we can find a lot of CCNA people still even certified also. Same what I told, Control C, Control V. You can find in the market. In Bangalore itself, we can find almost 1 lakh people are there. Only I'm talking about the CCNA people. Still they haven't got any job. And Vikas and is very lucky. He's got job in NTT.
Lucky fellow. Lucky fellow.
Lucky fellow, right? Even though he's not certified for CCNA, he got job in NTT. Because I speak to the HR, Rashmi, because
Yes, sir.
Rashmi and Vijita I speak, because she want to certify around 45 L2 engineers. I told, okay, fine, we'll do how they want. They are the 2 types of exam. One exam is Control C, Control V. One exam is they have to write their own. You tell me which option. She's laughing like anything. Really, man, I spoke to Vijita and Rashmi.
Yes, sir, you're right.
She's really, it's happening. Yes.
Yes.
What do you think?
Yeah,
Yes,
people are
yes,
actually
yes.
writing and
People are
giving
doing like
answers.
that. Yes.
You tell me which option do you want? Option A or option B or all of the above?
All the above.
She said, no, whichever you want. Just because I have a lot of center in Bangalore, my friends are running the centers. Pearson Center, testing center. If you check this one, like they will do it. Even African 100 people have done, man, for CCNA, CCNP especially. Okay, guys. So I had designed this thing, guys. So now what is the objective of this topology is, okay. So first thing is what we should do now. What is the first step? Pawan, can you tell me?
Assign the IP address.
Okay, first thing is assign the first
Router,
step.
assign the IP address.
Assign the IP
router.
addresses as per the diagram,
By
right?
the diagram.
Okay. Then we'll do the lab.
DHCP.
Then we'll do the lab for this one.
Lab.
Okay.
It's static routing, Mataj.
Okay, which one you want me to configure? Well, let's configure static routing because static routing is very reliable and very good. This thing, right?
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's configure the static routing. Okay, first thing is assign the IP address.
Config T. Enable config T.
Okay, so config T, host name, I will give, this is my R1. Okay, interface, first thing is let's see
ताज भाई
gigabytes.
थोड़ा आप आज टाइप करने में थोड़ा ये कीजिए ताज भाई.
Slow.
नहीं स्लो नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. डोंट मेक मिस्टेक्स.
Mistakes.
हाँ वो टाइपिंग में वो 2-3 बार एंटर करते हैं ना, वो बोल रहा हूँ.
Now what happened means it will come up, right? It will show you the message there. Okay, if you not tap enter means we cannot see you my next line command. That's the reason I'm typing enter. Same thing for real router, guys, because these all things I did in real router when I studied in 2006, because I used to do the real there also. When you type any command, so it will pop up one line. That's the reason we are entering enter again.
नहीं वो नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक बोल रहा हूँ ताज भाई.
That's happened, man, because I am using my pen and 2 computers, 2 keyboards, 2 mouse.
Oh God, पूरा lab setup कर लिया आपने.
So we have a very good lab setup. Okay, so I'm giving this as per the topology. This is 1.1. So I say this is node shutdown. See, by the moment I have given node shutdown, that's the reason I'm typing enter. Anyhow, I'm sharing all this command file also, right?
Yes.
In a notebook.
हाँ वो तो मैंने कल देख लिया था भाई. कल मैं थोड़ा किया हूँ वो. But I couldn't do full.
Okay.
Or else I would have showed you where I'm going wrong. I have done almost 80%.
Okay, so what is the IP address for this? 1.1.1 255.0.0.0. Okay, so let's
Are you there, Vikas?
Yes.
Okay, still is doing because you are still showing the down now. So it will come up once I have given the IP address for other network.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So now this time I will configure DHCP on your server, guys.
Server. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So because recommended, guys, please remember the recommended to configure the DHCP on the server, not on the router, as per the Cisco. The technical reason is because we cannot put more burden for the router. Where it will consume the more hardware resource. It consumes your RAM, you consume your CPU, right? Because everybody, the moment anybody has connected for your network, it will send the ARP message to the router. The router has to check, okay, it has to allocate, it has to prepare the routing table, it has to solve the DORA process, then it has to issue the IP address. So as you know that the router is a slow device. So recommended is to configure on your server. So how do we configure DHCP?
But sorry for the interruption. But you up to previous labs you configured only at the router, right?
Router, yes.
Even for those labs, can we configure the DHCP on server?
Yes, no problem. We can configure, but recommended is on a server, Vikas.
Recommended is on server.
A server, not on the router.
Okay.
Okay, the organization where we don't have any server in organizations. Okay, then in the scenario we can configure on the router itself. No problem.
Okay.
Yeah, but most of the places it is on server only, Taj.
Yes. That's the reason I'm telling, because I am not telling, because still today I'm going to teach you the new things. That is little bit of the automation.
Okay.
Okay, which will make your life very easy. Okay, I'll tell you that. Okay, so go to the service now, so we can see DHCP. Can you see, right?
Yeah.
DHCP, now it is off, just make it on. You can see, right?
Yes,
Make it on. Okay, create the server pool. Say example, this is my HR team DHCP, HR team. Okay, what is the gateway? 192.168.1.1. Okay, DNS is same, will give 8.8.8.8. Okay, what is the starting IP address? 192.168.168.168.
1.1.
1.0.
1.1. We start from
1.1. Okay, okay.
We'll start from 1.2, right?
We should start from 1.2 because that is the main in this one, no?
Yeah. 255.255.255.0. Okay, so maximum number of users. Okay, 212 because you'll not get 212, right? So we'll say example in this we need only 50 IP address. Only 50 IP address, but we can give up to 255.
Okay.
Here. But right now we are not required, right? We are not connecting 255 computers here. We need only this much. Okay, so we can see the interface he has taken the fast Ethernet. No problem, it will work here. Just after this, adding this all value, okay, just say add. Right. So just click on the server pool. Okay. So here the default gateway just give 192.168.1.1. Okay, and this one also you give 8.8.8. Already exists. What is
Name Taj.
Full name already exists.
You have to change the name, full name.
What is the full name? HR team.
Name already exists.
I think we have to click on save now.
No, it's showing this one. Let's see, because you
Only
know
name will be changed.
it has to take the IP address. First say DHCP. I think manually we should assign the first IP address, right? It will not take. It will take APIPA. Okay, for the server, we should give IP address. So 192.168.1.2 here. Okay, and gateway is 192.168.1.1. Correct. Okay, so we are getting the IP address, right? 1.3.
Yeah.
Okay, and 255.255.0. So we are not getting the gateway. Can you see here?
Yes, Taj, because you have not configured it in the manual one.
Right. So go to service. So DHCP. Okay, so this is the T. Default gateway starting IP address start from T. Okay, fine. He has taken gateway we have given. And 192.168.1.1. Full name already exists. Why is showing this?
ताज भाई हम लोग वहां पे वो मैनुअल में दिए थे ना?
This is a manual.
नहीं वो मैनुअल आईपी एड्रेस.
Yeah.
तो यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने ऑलरेडी डिफॉल्ट दिया है, तो क्यों नहीं लिया वो?
No, this is a manually we have given. A server has to issue the IP address now. Now the server has to issue the IP address.
Okay.
Right. So let's say 192.168.1.1. We are getting the IP address, only gateway will check this one. Okay. I think I have configured with other topology. We are getting the IP address, only gateway is not coming. If there are no gateways is not getting means, can they able to communicate, guys?
No.
No, right?
No.
You want me to check? See, check from this PC to this laptop. Is getting communicate, right?
But within a network, I guess.
Within the network, they can able to communicate because they are directly connected, right?
Yes.
Okay, they are directly connected. Don't need to Doesn't require any
Connect.
gateway. They will communicate. Okay. So meanwhile, so we'll check this an issue. I think we can able to do these. So I think let 1.1, 8.2.2. Fine. This is okay.
ताज भाई वो क्यों एरर आ रहा है ताज भाई? ताज भाई
Yeah, we'll do it.
नहीं, वो
click on-
क्यों एरर आ रहा है क्या पूछ रहा हूँ?
Service. Start from 1.2, 192, 168, 1.1. DNS 8.8.8.8. Full name already exists. Okay, let's say this full name I will give sales. Let's see. Let's configure this router now. Okay, then we'll jump to the DSCP configuration. We'll do that. Okay, so this is my router 2 now, and this is my router 2. So I'm going to configure this gigabytes. Interface gigabyte 0/0/0. Okay, I'll give IP address 192.168.2.1, 255.255.255.0. Okay, then interface serial 0/1/0, IP address 10.1.1.2, 255.0.0.0. Okay, so no need to give the clock rate here. Done. The basic configuration is done. So same thing, we configure the DSCP here also. On say this is my security. Okay, default gateway 192.168. This is 2.1. 8.8.8. Okay, starting IP address is 192.168.
196.
68. 2.2. We'll start from 2.2. Okay, subnet mask is 255.255.255.0.
At router, we have to give it a, we have to assign it on CLI.
Yeah, in router CLI mode. So here, same thing. We just need to add this all services. That's it. So let's see what about these guys, whether he's taking the IP address.
Yes. Okay. No.
Okay, he has taken
Apipa.
Apipa. Okay, Apipa. So what is this thing? Let's check. The 2.1. Okay, so let's give the IP address for this manually 192.168. So this is 2.2. And gateway is 192.168, 2.1. Correct?
Okay.
And 8.8.8. So now you check. We got it, we're getting, but gateway we're not getting. Right. So let's solve this problem on the server now. Go to service. So I think I configured recently gateway 192.168 2.1. Just let's see now. Yeah, so now we are getting right. Can you see? Just need to save here, that's it, nothing else. So go to DSCP. I think we have to remove this guy. So here, just give 192.168 gateway 1.1, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and 8.8.8.8. Save, that's it. So now it will come the DSCP now. Okay, 1.1. He has taken the gateway. So let's check with this guy.
ताज भाई वो सर्विस पूल में ही करना है क्या नाम?
Service full means we have to mention the gateway.
Okay.
Service pool we have to do it.
Yeah. Okay,
Okay.
same thing. Now, let's say I think we are not done there. Okay, so we are getting the gateway also.
Yes.
Gateway, even DNS also we are getting. We are getting, right? You can see,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Yeah, we are even DNS server also we are getting.
Mhm.
Okay, so now can they communicate with each other? This say example, this laptop to this laptop.
Yes.
Yes.
How it will ping back? It's not pinging. Why? Why is not pinging?
कुछ फेल ना ताज. We have not done one configuration, I think.
What? Which configuration we are not done?
We have not done this one, right?
Because what we should do now? There is no communication here. I cannot ping from this laptop to this server. See, everything
We
is
have
getting.
We have to configure routing.
Routing. Yes.
Yes.
On
Okay.
the router. Yes.
So we should configure the routing
Routing.
protocol. So let's configure the static routing now.
Static routing. Yes.
So how to configure, Sarik, can you tell me? I want to configure the static routing now. So how do I configure?
Config the router static.
Router static is this one.
Router
Static,
static.
and then we'll put the IP address.
Enter.
Question mark we can do anything.
Okay, so question mark. Unrecognized command. You are not doing this one, man. Practicing at home.
Hey, we have not done static routing only, no Taj.
What, man? I will send you the video if you want.
Hey, what?
You forgot that. The last month, without starting the routing, I cannot teach the EAGRP and OSPF. What is the ED value of static routing?
1. Directly you have to give the IP address.
The configuration is IP
Oh,
route.
IP route.
IP routing. Okay.
IP route
IP route.
followed by network.
Yeah,
the other
yeah.
network.
Which network? Okay, IP route.
IP route.
2.0 network.
To reach to this network, 2.0 network, go via this IP.
Yeah,
Yes.
IP route.
Okay.
IP route.
IP route.
Okay. IP route 192.168.2.0. Give the subnet mask. Go via 10.1.1.2. Because he is a neighbor direct connected.
Yes.
Okay. To reach to this network, go via 10.1.1.2.
1.2.
Yes.
Or else we can give your exit interface also. Series 0/1/0 also we can give.
Yeah, because we had not configured that one. Correct. We were
Correct.
just doing on the Taj, actually why I got confused, I'll tell you.
Ah.
We did today in this one, no Taj server. We had But today you showed us on the server. No, till today we were doing on the configuration on the router.
That is a DHCP, sorry. DHCP is different, static
DHCP only.
routing.
We were following one procedure with the IP address configuration.
Yes,
and
yes,
then
yes.
that one, that one got little confused. I'm thinking.
It's not this in confused. I think you're mugging up the command. Sorry.
I am not
guess.
mugging up the command, Taj. Actually, you know what? I was thinking this IP address will put in router. Now that little this one change.
Yeah. Sharik, let me explain to him. No touch. What we do in the beginning itself in the router part, we will directly we'll assign the network, assign the
IP
network
address
as
and all,
IP
yeah.
addresses, everything. We will be doing it. We had that procedure that this is the one we have to do. Next step we have to assign this one DHCP.
I will do one thing.
That's
Okay.
what
No
I
worries,
get
you just-
confused, bro.
Today I will not do the commands. Okay. One more procedure I will tell you. Maybe if I not show you this one, okay, you will forget this and that one also. Right now we are doing CLI based, right? Command line interface. So what if you do in automation, everything click, next.
Okay.
Okay, let's do that. I will show you that one also today.
Anyway, you continue with this one. You complete.
Yeah, this one you finish one, Taj.
No,
No?
this is there for you guys. It is there. These are new things they added. Okay, we can see the command right here. I have removed the command. Can you see?
Oh, yeah. No IP. Yeah.
I removed it. Now we can go to static route. You can see, right? Static.
Yes.
Okay. Now you type network, which network you want to reach, 192.168.2.0. Okay, subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Your next hop is 10.1.1.2. Add. Alas. This is called automation, guys.
Yeah, this is most easy, no?
Yes, only thing we can do RIP. Next is static and RIP we can do it. Okay, same thing this router also. I will go to configure static. Okay, 192.168.1.1.
1.0.
255.255.255.0. Next hop is 10.1.1.
Yes.
Add.
See the command.
Now it will ping actually.
Oh, I see. This is easy to touch compared to giving a CLI.
First go from the hardware side. That's the reason I will not teach you because today I think Pawan is lucky. I'm teaching this very easy way.
Yes, sir. It is little bit,
Pawan is lucky.
easy,
So
sir.
many days we were like, as you said, Taj, mugging up only. It was like that only. We have to do from start. First, we have to do enable config T and IP gigabyte and no, Vikas.
Yes.
We were doing that one. That one, I'm like, he asked me like this. Okay, fine, what?
Okay.
That's why
So exit show IP route. Okay, as you can see, he has learned the static routing.
Yes.
Right. So
now it will ping actually.
Yeah, it will ping. Okay, so I can ping to any one of the PC 192.168. Say 2.5 is there. Yeah, so 2.1 also we can reach 2.2. Now they have the communication perfect, right? So everyone.
Now we have to do ACL.
ACL. So if you are in global configuration mode, we can also do the ping command, do ping. Okay, 192.168, 1.2. Okay, I have the reachability, 100%. So they have the communication now. Okay, so now I'm going to start with the ACL configuration. So how do I configure the ACL? What is the first step?
Config T.
First in creating this thing, okay, for standard access list, you should configure nearest to destination. First, remember.
Standard nearest to
standard
destination.
access list, you should configure nearest to destination. Let me write it down here. Standard ACL. Near to.
Standard ACL has to be configured nearing to destination. Has to be one.
Destination. Matlab, if this is a network means at R1 we have to do it. From R2 if you want to send it.
Yeah. Okay, so where I should configure now? So I should configure on your router 2. Okay, say example like first you tell me. So which PC you want me to block?
PC2
Okay, let's say example. Let
from
me
network to
let me
PC2.
take one coloring.
Coloring.
Okay. So
Keep
that
it as red.
red. Okay, say example this PC I want to block.
Not a fill color.
Filling the color.
And that would be. Just remove it. Next, no?
Yeah. So I want to block this guy. So what is IP address for this one? Let me check.
192.168 to
This is 1.3. This is 1.3 actually. Okay, this is
1.3. Okay.
Okay, so let me assign the IP address for this. So 192.168. This is 1.3.
Okay.
So this guy should not access to this network. This is the objective. Okay. So this guy should be denied to access your PC. Okay, first understand this one because configuration is quite very easy. There are many ways to configure, guys. There are many ways we can configure your ACL. First understand. Okay, so whether you can routing protocol be configured. Okay, and even I think you might know about this one, right? Trace route command.
No touch.
Okay, so if I want to reach to servers, this route 192.168, example 2.2, I guess, for the server.
What is this trace route?
It will tell how the packet is going. It will show you. The command trace. Valid command. Let me check in.
Trace is TRACE, Taj.
Huh?
You've written spelling wrong. Second one. TRACE.
Trace.
Yeah. TRAC only bright.
2.2. No, I think
Again, it is showing
because
invalid.
maybe I think I forgot this command. Let me check in Google. Even Linux also is there. Even in Linux also, we can use this command. So trace route.
Yeah.
So let me check. Let me check from my trace route. Trace route to say example
Google.com.
URT. No, I think this command, let me check here. In Linux, in Windows. Okay, the command is trace in Windows. You can see, right? TRACERT. Okay. So let me. RT. Okay, let's check www.google.com. So here it will show you like how it is reaching. So hop count, we can see 30 hop count is reaching. From there, I am getting reply. See, is going to my D-Link router. So in my office, so it is connected. My network is 0.1. Okay, and this is 192.168.55. This is my dynamic IP address. So request time is taking long time. because we are pinging to the Google now. Okay, in packet tracer is different. In packet tracer, let's check the packet tracer now. Command in packet tracer. So it will give you everything, guys. Okay, TROCRT root IPL this in. Can you see the command here?
Yes, yes.
Right. Trace root, or else I think you can see here also. More specific packet tracer. It's not showing specific in packet tracer. It will show you. Let me check in Cisco packet tracer because it will give the exact. So trace root command is used to discover the route that packet actually take when the travel is to the destination, how the packet is moving. Okay, that it will show you that. Okay, I think here he has given the command. Okay, TRACECERT. If you give -d means continuously it will ping. So let's check this one, not from the PC. Okay, 192.168.2.1. Okay, see, is reaching, right? Can you see?
Yes, yes.
Well, understood, right? So now this guy is reaching how? He's going via his gateway. 1.1 is gateway, right?
Yes.
Okay, and is going to next 10.2, which is its neighbor. Okay, then is going to 2.2. So let's ping to 2.5. How it's going? Same way. No, because this is the common. So maximum hop count is 30. Maximum hop count is 30. If you if you ping, I think -d invalid. I think -d is not working. -4 invalid command. Okay, even we can ping one more command. So ping -t continuous ping 192.168.2.2 means this command it will continuously ping, guys. Okay, in real time, guys. Okay, this is the continuous pinging, right? So if you check in real time, let's ping to ping www.google.com -t. So here is different. -t we had to give last in real time. So continuously I'm pinging to the google.com.
Okay.
Okay, don't get confused here. Why I'm showing this? Because I'm going to block this PC. Okay, it will show you when it's going to block. Control C or Control Z. I think Control Z to break. And here is also. Okay, Control X to stop that one. Okay, now they have the communication now. So now I'm going to apply for your access list. Okay, so what you want to block, which one you want to block? So let's say I want to block this 1.3 PC to communicate with this network. Okay, what is this network ID? 192.168.2.0, remember. Okay, what is this network ID?
1.0.
1.0.
1.0/24. So this is my network ID. So where we should apply this one? Nearest to destination.
Nearing destination.
Destination.
Who is my destination?
Router 2.
2, right? Okay, we should
Yeah.
configure on your router 2. Okay, let's configure on your router 2. So how I should configure? Go to global configuration mode, config T, IP access list.
IP access.
Access list only.
No.
Access list.
Correct. It's access list 1.
Give the question mark so we can see here. So 1 to 199 IP access list. Okay, 100 to 199 is your standard access list.
Correct.
Remember this. Okay, so right now I will give 1 because we are going to configure your standard access list. So what we are going to do here?
Deny.
I want to deny this.
Deny 192.168.
192.168.1.3. 1.3 PC 0.0.0.0 means any subnet.
255 करके डाला.
So let it come with any subnet. That's it. Okay,
Yes.
then access list 1 permit any. As I told yesterday, this command is very important. Otherwise,
Yeah,
entire
it's written.
network is going to block.
Access
Because-
list 1 permanent any.
Permit any.
Permit any.
What happened? So if you're not given this command, only these people, this PC, you want us to block, right? To communicate with these PCs. What happened if you're not given that command? Even this PC also will get blocked here, will get filtered here.
Okay.
Okay. Done. So now what we should do now? Now go to interface. Now which interface we should apply?
That is 0.
Serial cable.
Sorry.
Serial interface. Serial interface.
Okay, we should apply to the serial interface or fast Ethernet.
It's for
But
fast
R2,
Ethernet.
right?
No, it's for this one only.
Serial interface one.
Serial interface.
Serial
Correct.
interface one day. Hey, I said correctly only.
Serial interface only because
Is a
that is only the
serial
bridge
or-
connection. No.
Serial. Okay, when these now we are configuring here, right? Access
Yeah.
list we are applying here.
So we have to configure on serial
when-
interface only.
When these guys coming inside, okay, we should
Okay.
you should get blocked.
Yes.
Correct. You should
SE.
get blocked. Okay, you want me to configure in serial?
Yes. Sir.
Okay, 00/1. Okay, then here IP access group. Okay, what group we have created? Group 1. What we have created that access list, that number we have to use and apply. Okay, apply what? Whether it's an inbound or outbound traffic.
Inbound.
Inbound.
Is it
No,
inbound?
it's a outbound traffic.
When these
Because it
guys
is
coming
coming in-
inside.
Inside. Yeah, we are not
Yeah,
sending.
inbound.
Correct. Inbound.
Inbound, right? Just in. That's it. Then save this. Show.
Inbound on.
Okay, access list. Okay, right now we denied this 1.3. Correct. So can they ping now?
No.
For example, I will cancel this T. It's a 1.1. So destination host unreachable. Okay. This guy got blocked now. So what about this PC? This PC should communicate, right?
Yes.
So ping 192.168.2.1.
Configuration.
21.1.
Okay.
Okay, this guy can able to communicate. Right. Even my laptop can also be able to communicate with this guy. So ping, so 192.168.2.1. Okay, I'm getting reply. Okay, packet sent 4, received 4, lost 0. So let's ping from server. Can I able to ping to my server to server? Ping 192.168. I think 2.2 the server is. Right. So I can able to reach. Understood, guys? So let's say I want to block this laptop. Now the scenario changed now. This guy, I will put it in pink. So I want to block this laptop. I don't want this guy to communicate to my 2 network.
Same thing, Taj, router 2.
I think this is, I don't know what is the IP address for this laptop. Let me check. This is 1.5. Okay, this is 1.5. Okay, so how I should configure? Tell me, Sarik.
Config T.
Okay.
Access list.
Wait. Yes, tell me.
Config T access list 1. Deny. 192.168.1.5.
1.5. Then
And mask 0.0.0.
any mask. Okay.
Any mask.
Then
access list 1 permit any.
Okay. Okay. Now which interface?
This is for serial interface only, Taj.
Can we configure for gigabytes?
No, Taj, because we have to stop the traffic from there only, no?
Because
That is
actually,
the
guys,
reason.
remember the configuration for the WAN link. Remember, as I told you that. So what is this link?
So WAN link.
WAN
serial
link.
WAN link. So what is this link?
LAN.
LAN link. And what about this link? This is also your LAN link.
LAN.
So configuring and applying the access control list for the WAN link is not recommended. Remember this.
Oh, okay.
Okay, is not recommended to configure your ACL for your WAN link because this is a very huge traffic. WAN link is a very huge traffic, and this LAN link only your internal network is connected. What if this router is connected with another 5-6 router and even ISP also? When you apply to your WAN link to the interface, there might be chance of interrupting if they have other network connected to this network. Maybe we have a 5 to 6 department. So those people also will get blocked here. It's not recommended. So always better to configure on your gigabytes. LAN link. Okay, so let's configure these gigabytes. Okay, 0/0/0 this time. Let's see. Okay, then IP access group. 1. Okay, now you tell me what is what 192.168? Is it inbound or outbound?
Oh, this is inbound.
Inbound packet or
Inbound
outbound
only.
packet?
Inbound.
Is it inbound or outbound? When this guy, this laptop 1.5, when this guy is trying to communicate with this network, okay, is going out. This is the router, right?
Yeah, it's going out, Taj.
Going out, right?
Going out.
Is outbound.
Outbound, because we can see there only now.
Yes. So let's check this one. I'll save this one. So now this guy. So this is 2.2 only. No? We are getting reply. Why? I'm pinging from this PC, right? Let ping PDU. So these two, say example, this PC. This PC.
Failed.
She is pinging now.
Now it is pinging, yeah. What do you miss, Taj?
Is it should be the inbound or outbound? This is quite very important.
Taj, it is the inbound only, Taj.
IP access group 1,
Yeah.
what is in? I think we should remove the previous one.
No IP access list out.
Okay, so IP access group. I think we should enter IP access list 1, right?
Yeah.
Access.
Group you have to remove, no, Taj.
Yes, I need to remove the group because in our inbound, outbound, we are not configured. Okay, so IP access list 1. Okay, what we did, deny. Not this one, access list 1. Deny 192. Okay, how to remove? I'll tell you this one. Okay, so no access list 1. That's it. It has removed all. Now access list 1. Okay, give the question mark. You want to deny 192.168.1.5. Okay, give the any subnet mask. Okay, then access list 1
Permit.
any.
Any.
Let permit other guy should communicate. Right now we block 1.5. Okay, then IP access
Group.
IP access. Why is not taking group? We should enter the interface, right?
Correct.
Right. So which interface?
Interface giga 0.0 slash.
Okay, so
This is
IP
inbound.
Okay, inbound. So show IP access list. Okay, we had in 1.5. So let's check this one now again. Now destination which is unreachable. Is get blocked, right? So let's check this guy. This guy should ping now this time. Is pinging, right? This guy is pinging now. Let's block this guy as well. So how do I block? So go to global configuration mode. Okay, interface gigabyte 0/0/0. Okay, so IP access group 1. Okay, that is inbound or outbound? In, right?
In.
In
So I
inbound.
think access list 1 deny 192.168. What is this IP address? 1.3. So give the any mask. Okay, access list 1 permit any. Okay, now this guy also should get blocked.
Okay.
Okay, so let's see now. Let's check this guy. This guy is not reachable. What about server? Server can ping, right? What about this PC? We're getting reply. And why this guy is
That one question. Why did that command change to, you told us that you told about that outbound, inbound, right? So when we put outbound, why was it pinging? And when we put inbound, why was it not pinging?
when traffic is coming in, because previously what he had given. So in this router, so previously it should be when you are given for this one here, it should be the outbound. Wrongly we have given, just to make you understand. It should be the outbound here. Okay, when traffic is coming to access, when getting reply, it should get blocked. That's the reason this guy is not pinging.
No. My question is actually inbound or outbound हम लोग किस लिए बोलते हैं? For what reason? Now example from this 192.168.1.3 is there, no? From there we are pinging it to 198.168.2.2. Okay.
Okay.
So now, is this for 2.2, is it inbound or 2.2 is it outbound?
For 2.2, it's an inbound, buddy.
Inbound only, but that time we did
Ah.
the same thing, nobody. You understood what my question is?
Yes. Oh, we can do it in a two different ways. That's what he in the
Yeah.
beginning itself he told. Yeah, either
Yeah,
we
yes.
can configure at PC2 or that router 2. It means for that router 2.
Allappa, ayo, not that one. You are
Ah.
not understand my question. My question is that time when we put outbound, it was pinging.
Okay,
And when we change that same thing to inbound,
it's not pinging.
It's
it
not
is
pinging.
not pinging. Okay.
Okay.
But
Yeah,
now
yes,
my
yes.
question is for the outbound list, whatever we are going to put outbound list, right?
Yes.
Now that outbound list, what now? Okay, touch this second network, no, 2.2 network. Take one PC, Taj. Let's block one PC for this router one side.
You want to reverse this side?
Reverse.
Yeah.
This
Reverse it.
PC2 is there, no?
Okay.
For
Okay.
second one.
PC2.
Yeah. We'll do that. No problem. So let me.
It should be the outbound or inbound.
Okay,
That's the
let's say-
question. That is only the question now. Okay.
Yeah. So you want me to block this guy.
Take this laptop. Okay.
Okay.
Block this
Okay.
for 1.3.
This is 2.5. This is
1.3 is
2.5.
there. No, block that one for the 1.3.
Okay, this is 2.5, right? So 192.168 2.5/24. Okay, this is the IP address for this laptop. So which router we should configure?
It's for R1.
Okay, it's for the R1. So go to global configuration mode, access list 1. Okay.
Can we change the access list to any other touch?
Yes, we can give 1 to 99. Say I will give this time 50.
Okay.
Okay. Deny 192.168 2.5.
2.5.
Okay. Give the any mask.
Yeah.
Okay. Access list 50.
Permit any.
Permit any. Okay. Now interface. Interface I'll go for 00/0.
01/.
Okay. Is it the correct interface? Yeah, correct. Okay. Then IP access group 50. Then
This one only I told Taj, inbound,
Yeah.
outbound. Now here exam. Now we'll put outbound. Okay, put outbound.
yeah, it's outbound. Okay. So check now.
Now we can check now, Raj.
Yeah. So let me open this my CLI mode. Let's ping to one network.
See,
It's 2.1.2. It's pinging for everywhere. Why guys?
that's what I was asking. That time also same thing happened when we put outbound. It is pinging everywhere. When we now
This
now
is
you go same thing.
2.5.
That go to that same thing and change it to inbound.
This one. The interface serial 0/1/0.
That group you remove, Taj.
So
from
no
that.
IP access group 50 outbound. First we have to remove this one. No?
That's what.
Okay, IP access group 50. Now I say
Inbound. End.
Okay, let me check now. Okay, so now it's getting blocked. Means,
That's what is my question now. When do we call the traffic as outbound and when do we call the traffic as inbound? Because now for whatever outbound we are putting any system, it's showing as we are getting the reply.
let's check. Yeah, I told you now already this one. When traffic is coming inside the device, we'll call the inbound.
Okay, now how do we configure the outbound?
Yeah, this guy is pinging, no problem. It's perfectly working. the traffic which is coming inside. When this guy traffic 2.5, when this guy is coming here, say example, let's say if this guy is coming to access this interface where we apply the access list with 50, okay, is going to block. Correct.
This is outbound.
This is inbound.
Oh no, sorry, this is inbound. Yeah. This is inbound.
Okay. Now the scenario where we required when this guy is coming inside, okay, to access this network, will call outbound.
Okay, can we do that outbound block touch?
Which scenario you want to do?
The second one. When the 192.168.1.3 PC is routing to the second router.
You want me to configure for inbound?
Outbound.
We configured already. No? That's what we did already.
We did inbound, no, Taj.
No. Inbound we had done, we are removed again. We are removed. If you want, we'll do 1 second, no problem. That is one line command. Okay, so access list, let's check. Do show access list. Okay, it's nothing is there. Show access list. Okay, so let's configure. Okay, access list. So this side I will give 10. Okay, I want to deny. So 192.168.1.3. Okay, do the any mask. Access list 10, permit any. Okay, then interface serial 0/ for serial interface or gigabytes you want me to give?
No, gigabyte only is better. No, sir. You only told no. We'll not do it in this one serial.
Yeah. So let's go to gigabytes 0/0/0. Interface gigabyte 0/0/0. Okay, then IP access group 10. Okay, so what we should do here?
Outbound. No, that's what I was asking you, Taj. When on what scenario will do outbound? I was asking.
When this guy's topping is coming inside. So when this PC is coming and trying to access this if is entering inside, this is called inbound traffic. That is called, we'll call it as your inbound. Okay, here it is a inbound. Okay, from this interface, when traffic is coming inside, okay, here also we'll call the inbound. When this PC is not getting reply, okay, is not getting reply to this PC, okay, to this PC, for him from this PC perspective, we'll call outbound.
Okay, so generally now your answer is now we went to that router 2, no?
Yeah.
So now router 2, whatever we are configuring from we are configuring the inbound traffic from 192.168.1.3, correct? Okay. So now in case we configure on this 192.168.2.5 to this 1.3, okay. So for the laptop it is outbound traffic.
Yes.
And for the PC it is inbound traffic.
Which PC?
1.3.
No, I not understood your question.
Okay. Taj, now from this laptop 2.5.
Of which laptop? 2.5. Okay.
2.5 to 1.3 we are pinging, no? For PC 1.3 it is a inbound traffic. And for 2.5 it is outbound. Correct?
Correct. For 2.5, it is going to replay that one. From this 2.5 perspective, it is outbound to 1.3.
Huh. So now we are going to configure for this outbound traffic for this one, no? 2.5. If we want to put now, you went there, no? We did not select still. Go to router 2, no? 1 minute. See this. We have stopped here. Now we have to put inbound or outbound here in the access group.
Yeah. So now we have to configure the outbound here. When
okay.
is we have to configure with the outbound?
That's what was my question.
Yeah.
Okay. Now ping and see, Taj.
Okay. So we have blocked which PC? 1.3. 1.3. Okay. It's working, right? Perfectly. Unreachable.
Okay. Yeah. That's what was my question. Now
Yes.
doubt is cleared.
Okay. Now destination host is unreachable. So let's check this PC. They should be able to communicate, right? Yes. This is your axis list gas. Let me save this command. This is the routing part. Let's say ACL. Standard ACL.
Because tell me your system IP address. Because
are you there, man?
Oh, so yes, that's actually I kept it in mute. I'm just talking. I didn't see that I kept it unmuted.
Because give me your IP address,
Oh, just I'm taking the IP address, right?
No, give me your IP address, okay?
My IP address.
Yeah,
my lab IP address, right?
Yeah, we'll block you from here.
Oh, okay. Okay. Config, right? Yeah, take it. It's 192.168 0.1105.
So I'll block from here.
No, you block it.
Everything, all the internet, everything I'll block.
No, take it.
I will do ethical hacking only. Nothing will be there in your PC then.
Okay, buddy, you do it. And you please do let me know how to backtrack it as well.
No. Why? I should only do that for you.
Huh?
I should only do that for you. Taj bhai, I'm actually learning little that ethical hacking.
Okay, good.
Online. I'm doing that one small course, okay? It's around 40 hours. That one also. It's also that is there in Udemy.
Yeah, Udemy. Because
I got that free. So I was just checking 2 days. I just checked. It is actually good, Taj bhai.
Yeah, that is very basic in Udemy.
Very basic. It's a starter.
Very basic.
And that too, nothing in deep and all. It's just on top they have told.
So I am saving this file. I will send you right away, guys. This lab.
Okay.
Pawan, did you even try yesterday's lab? Pawan?
When he also put it in mute and he is speaking, I guess.
Mute,
Hello.
I think. Yeah, Pawan.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, tell me.
Did you try yesterday's lab?
No. Day before yesterday, I will try it. Because yesterday also my laptop was so much of dusty and everything was struck everything.
Hey, what is the problem with your laptop?
Yeah, I don't know. Yesterday I was kept laptop. My sister son was dropped down. That's why.
Okay, guys, I shared you the thing, guys. I don't know why.
Yeah, that's coming the chat
Yeah.
box.
Yeah, there.
In the chat, you can download it. You can open in your this thing.
Okay.
So can I go for extended now?
Yes, yes, touch.
Yeah.
Okay. So let me open the same topology and just I'll change that to extended. Same thing. Control C, Control V.
Touch. Screen not to be seen.
No, I stop. Okay, let me share that. I think we should be able to see it on my screen, right? Not it?
Okay. Taj, this one, yesterday's it will not be available, Taj, the chat box. Mein.
Yesterday's, I think it will be there.
No, Taj, I couldn't able to see. Only today's I could able to see, Taj.
No, yesterday's will not be touched by because you have not added it in the group.
Okay, because I have not created the group yet. That's the reason you cannot see those charts.
It's only the link.
Yeah. That's the reason I told you just download it now. Only small
I know
files.
it was, that was it in my mobile itself. I downloaded kept it. Safe for safe.
Like if you want, I will share you. No problem. I will share you once again. Yesterday's lab and today's lab. I think already shared. Yesterday, I think redistribution again. If you want, I will share you. Okay, not this one. You want me to share because once again?
Yes, Taj. Once again, you can just share it at this point.
Okay, so I'll share in the chat now.
Yes, Taj.
Yesterday's redistribution RIP to EAGRP.
RIP to EIGRP and OSPF.
Yeah, then EIGRP to OSPF. So you want the commands also, right, for this?
Yes, Taj. Okay. Anyway, I've just downloaded it in my mobile itself, but in that one I couldn't able to open it, right? Just for backup purpose.
Yeah, so even commands also I shared you.
Oh yes, Taj. Got it.
Yeah. So
That by yesterday I was telling you the same thing that by if you actually don't add us all the data whatever you send will go off in the chat once we disconnect the call.
Extended ACL lab. Okay, so I think what I should do the first configuration part here. Everything are same, just here we should configure with extended.
Number will change, Mataj.
Yes, number from
100 to 199.
100 to 199. Remaining all are same. Okay, here name I should mention standard. Is it everything is same? So what is the standard access list? Extended access list. How we can able to configure this? So here it will be based on your
source address and destination address.
Yes, it is. You should configure nearest to source.
Source.
It's a reverse of standard access list. Yes. So in standard access list, where you should configure in nearest to
destination.
Destination, and your extended is for only for.
Extended ACL has to be configured near source.
Yes. Destination.
Source port.
Standard. Nearest to destination standard. Extended is for.
Standard is nearest to destination.
Yes.
And this is near the source, right?
Source. And it also based on your services like HTTP, FTP, Telnet, DNS. Okay. So previously in standard access list, whether you can block your PC or you can block your entire network. Okay. So here in the extended access list, we can able to block your services, but they can able to communicate with each other. Okay, let's do that. So let's configure. Okay, say example, we'll take the same scenario. Say example, this guy, same PC. So what is the objective here? This guy should be denied for HTTP traffic. This guy. Okay, but he can ping.
What touch? Did not understand.
See, HTTP, because he cannot access the internet. Say example, so this is my web server. Okay, this is my web server. So web server is, this is 192.168. I think this is 2.6, I guess. Let me check what is the IP address for this. This is 2.2. Okay, this is my 2.2. Imagine this is my web server. Yeah. Now, this PC cannot access my web server, but he can able to ping. Got it? This is the objective, guys, here.
Okay.
Understood? He can able to communicate to each other, but he cannot access the internet. HTTP means what? What is the HTTP port number?
80.
80.
80, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So as you know that it should configure extended access list nearest to source. Now, who is the source? This guy.
This guy.
Okay, we should configure in your R1 router. Okay, you should configure your nearest to your R1 router. So let's configure this. So enable. When you got this one, guys, just increase the timing. That's it. Otherwise, it take time. So go to global configuration mode. Okay, everything is communicating now, right? I think you can able to see do show IP route. Okay, they have the communication right now. If you want, you can check once again. So this PC can able to communicate. Yeah, so everybody has got communication. As you know, first packet will be dropped. Why these guys fail? What about this PC? 2.1.
वो
Check
तभी
the-
हम लोगों ने ब्लॉक किया था नताज भाई.
Yeah. Show IP, show access list. Oh,
We
yes,
had blocked, no.
yes. Same thing we copied. Okay, just no access list 50. Okay, same thing here also.
यहाँ पे भी ये लैपटॉप में भी ब्लॉक किया है.
Show access list. Here 10. Okay, no access list 10. That's it. Okay, now we can able to communicate, right? So let's see now.
Still it is failed.
Yeah, so now it's success. Laptop to laptop,
No, Taj bhai, that we have blocked, I think, again.
No, it's pinging, man. See?
It came successfully. Yeah.
First drop will be first packet will be dropped.
It will be top. Yeah.
Fail, and then later after it will be sent.
So server to server. Yes, we do have the communication. Okay, so now objective is now we are going to configure your extended access list. Okay, so right now I am in this router. So go to global configuration mode. Okay, so how do I configure this one? Access list. Say I will give here 150. Okay, 150. Okay, I want to deny. Okay, so deny what? Remember here, your as you know that your internet is going to work based on your TCP/IP, guys. So your internet is going to work based on your TCP/IP.
TCP.
Okay, so deny which traffic? That is your TCP, right?
TCP.
Yes.
Okay. So how I should configure this one? TCP what?
TCP of
Source address
source address. It's 192.168.1.3.
or single host. So what I should do? How?
Single host we have to do.
Right now we are doing for the single host, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So what I
Host.
should type?
Host.
Host. Okay. So who is the host?
R1.
192.168.
1.3.
No,
1.3.
3. 1.3.
Okay. Then to which PC?
Means
that is for
2.1.
this side, Taj.
This side
With the question mark. A single destination host. Single destination host. Who is a single destination host? This guy, right?
2.2.
Right. That is 2.2. Correct. Okay. The host is 192.168.2.2. Correct.
Correct. But we have to, should we not put any masks, Taj, here? Nothing, no?
Nothing, just it will take, no problem. So now, so what you are trying to deny this host from destination is 2.2, then give the question mark. He's asking something. Equal, greater than, less than.
It is established. Established.
Okay, equal.
Equal, is it? Okay.
Equal to what? What you are trying to do? We are trying to block this www, right?
Correct.
HTTP or port number 80. Whether we can give www or we can give port number 80 directly. Okay, so we can give say example www. Enter. This is we have created your access list. Got it? Understood, guys? Now access list 150 permit
Any.
Okay, here permit is little bit different. Permit any internet protocol.
IP.
Okay.
IP.
Permit IP. Okay. Any source. Okay. Any source. Any. Again, type any destination.
Any source. Any source.
Any source. Any destination. Okay. Just we have created the access list now. Okay. Now we have to apply to the interface. Now, which interface we should apply? Interface.
That's for the gigabyte.
Yeah. Say example gigabytes 0/0/0. Okay. Go to the interface. IP access group 150, right?
Yeah.
150. Now you tell me it is an inbound or outbound?
This is outbound.
Yes, it is a outbound. Done. So now as per this thing is, they should be able to communicate with each other now. Now these guys should be able to ping.
Yeah, they can ping, but they cannot use the internet.
So let me, how to check the internet in packet tracer, I will show you that. Open this PC. Okay, see you guys here. Desktop, open your web browser. Here you type http://192.168. What is the IP address? 2.2.
2.2.
Web server is accessing. See here. But this indicate
Yeah, it's accessing a touch.
is accessing 192.168 2.2. Now you check whether we have given the properly. This is what we have given, right? Deny 1.3. This is the 1.3. IP config. Man, this is 1.5, man.
Oh, which is 1.3 then?
Check.
PC.
Let me check directly here. This guy is 1.3.
Just put that one, that color, and this one.
Yeah, let me pull this one. I pull this color to this guy inside. Be carefully, this very danger man access list.
We want to block other methods.
See, because
As you told the touch, one of your friend was working for this one that Infosys or something.
Yeah.
If that is the case, it is a gone case.
because
HTTP colon
like this only I will do the system.
168.
Yeah, do it, man.
2.2.
You know, you're doing a practice, right?
See,
Ah,
this
Gaining
guy
a
also
knowledge.
pinging, man.
Yes.
Why touch?
HTTP colon is getting reply. I can able to access it. Is it correct? 1.3. Let's check the configuration. 1.3. I think wrong interface. Let's configure with inside. Remove this one. Interface gigabyte 0/0/0. No IP access group 150 out. So-
That, I think so. It should be an in, right? For
Hmm?
outbound, it should be like vice versa, no?
Let's configure in, we'll see, because here sometime I will also get confused. Interface gigabyte 0/0/0. Okay, so IP access group 150. Okay,
In.
let's say in. So
I think now it will not ping the touch.
no, they can ping, no problem, but
No,
they should
pinging,
not.
internet, I'm telling, internet will not access.
So 192.168 2.2. Yes, now it's stopped. Go. But he can ping now. He should ping. Ping 192.168 2.2. Yes. And remaining all other guys also they can able to ping. Okay, even this guy also can able to ping. Ping 192.168 2.2. Yes, I'm getting reply. Okay.
Because it should be like vice versa, no touch. Because
Yes,
this
yes.
is the network means it is coming inside this router,
Perfect.
this network.
When
So
these guys coming, because here
Yeah.
you should, here in this router one, you should get filter.
filter.
In router
Yes.
one, okay, you should get filter. When this guy traffic trying to access your HTTP traffic, HTTP traffic, okay, then he must get block here. When the ICMP packet is coming, that is your ping.
That can go.
That can go, it can forward it. You can able to access to all the guys.
Yes.
It's quite very interesting, guys, because remember, access list can also be configured in your firewall also. Not only Cisco, even the Palo Alto, Checkpoint, Fortinet, Sophos, your Dell firewall, or HP firewall, there also we can able to configure your ACL.
Okay.
So right now we are doing in the router. Most organizations they configure on the router itself. Because in your firewall, they configure your SD-WAN and VPN. Understood, guys?
Yeah.
Okay. So let me save this one. I will send you this text file as well. And
You already kept the chat box open. The time it comes, I'll just open. I've kept the chat box ready.
okay.
This one is quite interesting, guys.
Yeah.
Because we have to use our brain like anything.
Yes.
Honest without everything will be gone.
Here, source only is the main thing.
So sometimes both are one will act as a source, other will act as a destination. In other scenario, one will act as a destination, other will act as a source. It's like a vice versa. We have to put it.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. I think now it is 12 o'clock now.
12
Yeah.
o'clock.
12 o'clock now. Okay. I think you have received this file. Please download, open Packet Tracer, and do the hands-on. Okay. I named ACL, guys. I request to. Okay, named ACL, guys. You just try from your side. If not, I will do it. No problem.
Yes.
Same. No difference between name. Just we have to, instead of number, we have to give name. That's it. Nothing else. So if you have any question, you can ask us before we wind up.